Okay, YouTube, welcome to the channel. We got some surprises today, so we're not going to hit that big tire in the road. We're in Atlanta. Got a little bit of a surprise coming, so we're going to scoot over here and stay tuned. This will be very interesting. Okay, guys, welcome back to the channel. We made it back from Atlanta with our little our Christmas surprise, our Christmas gift to me and my wife Kristen. We got us a new member of the family. We've not got a name yet, but here's this little guy. How do you not love this guy? So we're out on the road a lot with the tow trucks, and you know, sometimes it's tough for Bruno, our other little Frenchie. He's here alone a lot, so you know, there's sometimes we're out on the road for 6-8 hours a day, and he gets really lonely. But we're here. We've got him a little playmate, and we're gonna hope that can keep him company here just a little bit of company for Mr. Bruno. But we're super excited. He's 9 weeks old right now. Little fellow's 9 weeks old. So he should have a lot of fun there with Mr. Bruno. Guys, Seaport Frenchies. We've got both of our pups from Seaport Frenchies. I'll put a link here in our description. If you guys are looking for a French bulldog, a bulldog, he is our guy. He can be your guy for sure. There's a lot of breeders out there that'll just take your money. You know, they're not really in it for much else other than the money and taking care of the dogs. But Seaport Frenchies, let me tell you, he's been with us for 4 years now. He bends over backwards to make sure that everything is good, and he's not going to leave you hanging out there. Super cool guy, and he's got some amazing dogs, top of the line dogs. Bruno's been amazing. We've not had any issues out of him, and we can't wait to get these two introduced, and he's going to be a lot of fun. I think he's wanting down. But all right, say goodbye, YouTube. And of course my phone is going to go crazy, but we want to get through some Christmas cards here as well, guys. Let's see, we've got a handful that we got through here. I'll try to make this as quick as possible. I just wanted to put out some more thank yous to Les and Heather Anderson from Pennsylvania. They got us a Christmas card. Katie and Douglas Doggett and their two beagles, Molly and Zuzu from Virginia. Lois Carson from Kentucky. Scott and Tara Shaver from Kentucky. Alan Smith from Sevierville. Hey, he's a local guy. Appreciate you, brother. Hendrick and Alan and Darlene Castle from Kentucky all sent us some fantastic Christmas cards to a collection to our mantle, and those will go up there, guys. We thank you guys for thinking about us here on the holidays and taking the time out of your busy holiday schedule to write us these. We love reading those, and we do appreciate it. But we're going to get back to the puppy. Bruno, is Bruno still? Maybe we can get Bruno in here, get him some videos. But guys, I can't thank Seaport Frenchies enough. Like I said, guys, I think he's going to get a YouTube channel going. You guys can kind of follow along with the pups that you're thinking about buying. I mean, what an awesome idea he's got going there. I know I would have loved to follow everything from birth up to delivery on our two pups. So we can't wait. We're super excited about Seaport Frenchie's YouTube channel. Stay tuned for that. I will make sure I get the link to all of that. If you guys are thinking about getting a pup, like I said, he is your guy. You know, he's above and beyond for everything that we've needed from him. And we've got Bruno here. Bruno's going to say hi. Bruno, you want to say hi to YouTube? Hey, want to say hi to YouTube? He's a good boy. He's a good boy. They like to play together. We'll get them down here on the ground. So they've had a good time. They've had a good time, haven't you, Bruno? You've had a good time? That's a big size difference. Hi, puppy. Oh, goodness. We'll have to edit that out.
You wanna play? You wanna play? Hi, puppy. Ah, puppy. Ah, puppy. Ah, puppy. Ah, puppy. Ah, puppy. Bruno. Ah, puppies. And guys, I did run to the mailbox. Can't forget these last two, very important. Looks like we've got a card from Miranda over here in Sevierville. She's a local gal. Says she enjoys the illegal park videos. All she wants for Christmas is more illegal park videos. Well, I am sure we can fulfill that one. Thank you for watching us there. We did get another card here. Let me see. Super sweet ladies here. Lucy and Karen from Kansas City. I believe it's Kansas City. Yes. I hope you enjoyed that shirt there. We appreciate you guys watching there. Lucy and Karen, she said she sent us a little something here. We haven't quite gotten that in the mail yet, but we will see. Can't thank you guys enough. Appreciate those cards, and those two will get inventoried to the mantle.
Being such a good boy. Yes, he is. Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Beautiful Christmas Day. Merry Christmas to everybody out there. I've got you guys out on a service call with me on Christmas Day. I'm rolling this one by myself. Kristen's back home cooking some Christmas dinner, so hopefully we can get back for a bite to eat. See how the day goes here. But we've got a fellow that says he's kind of stranded, can't get his spare tire down on a Ford. Said the tool's broken.
Turn right, then. Turn right.
But yeah, we're over here in Wares Valley right now. I think we're pretty close to him.
Turn right, then. Your destination will be on the left.
But beautiful day today. It's like 71 degrees. Windows down on the truck, cruising through the mountains. $39.66. $39.60.
Your destination is on the left.
He gave me $39.60. That's 66, but there is a Ford up there. I'm gonna guess. I guess this is it. It's like a little steep drive, guys, so bear with me. Looks like we found what's wrong with him. Got a nail. Maybe we can save him the hassle and just fix it on the truck. you got a bunch of air pressure in though. How you shove a quick plug into a tire. Like I said, make sure you got it aired up good. The more air pressure you have, the easier it'll be, because the tire is really squishy when it's flat, obviously. So pushing that in there is kind of tough. Kick that nail. There it is. Deep pressure he keeps in these. How are you, buddy? I guess you keep about 60 in these, right? It was a nail.
Was it?
Yeah.
Brand new tires.
I'll be down.
He's right here.
What was it?
Now.
It's kind of close there to your side, but it's holding good. So
Sorry to bother you.
oh no, you're okay.
Couldn't. We're not from up here.
I got the little key that drops the tire,
drops it
but
down.
it does not fit the down. I can't get it to line up for shit.
Won't
I've been
do it.
3 hours trying to do that.
Well, that's no good.
No.
See if I can get you.
We had no idea who to call.
Yeah,
And
sometimes it's kind of tough, especially up here in the valley. Sometimes.
I'm like, I don't even know where we're at.
Yeah.
Sorry to bother you on Christmas.
Oh heck no, that's what we're here for. We're getting there. We're getting there. I didn't see anything bubbling out of it there, so I glued it up pretty good. I just quick plugs are, you know, quick plugs, so I don't know that I'd leave it in there forever. I mean, I've done them on motorcycle tires and never had any trouble out of them at all. But with, you know, it's a new tire, it's a heavy truck, I'd at least, you know, swing by a tire shop and say, hey, because they make it's a patch plug kind of thing that goes from the inside out. That's really the safest way to do those. So, but this gets you to the tire shop anyway.
Well, nothing's open today, probably.
No, yeah, I don't think there's anything out there today that's doing anything. It's a nice truck. Looks like you keep it that way.
Got to.
I know your tires aren't that old, are they?
That's what I said.
A couple months.
For that little short roofing nail to find its way in between that tread was.
Yeah, because if it wouldn't have went there, it might have worked out.
Yeah, I don't think you'd have had any trouble if it was in that, because that tread's thick and that's
That's how it always happens.
looks like a little 3/4 or 1/2 inch nail.